morning, day 2 of our ride, and yeah, we had a beautiful breakfast, had good fun here last night, and now we are going to do a trail within the property. So there's a trail in the property, and the owners have been kind enough to let us go inside the property, so we will come out of this way, and next what you see would be the trails that is within this property, which is called the Bettada Hoovu, and I'll put a Google link on the bottom if you guys want to come and stay here. Yeah, that's it. So we'll start our ride now. Our trail now, and this trail is within the property, which is Bettada Hoovu. So they've been kind enough to let us take a tour of their property, a ride, and you know, we'll take you through the property. It's a complete coffee estate, and all the riders are ready. So this property is around 100 acres, 100 or 100 plus acres, that's what I understand. So all of us are there now, barring Uju. Uju does not have the bike today. So we have to recover the bike today. That's another plan altogether. Let's see how that also goes later. But right now, we are enjoying the trail here. So there's already a paved road because these guys keep going on their jeep. So there's a proper paved way where you can go and explore. And this can be really tricky during monsoon. Right now it seems to be a little easier, but monsoon this will be super slushy, and you need a 4x4 off-road jeep or something to come. And even on the motorcycle you can do, but then it will be more challenging than this. It will be fun though. So the entire property in terms of kilometer, I think will be around 3 or 4 kilometers. And there's a steep that's there we need to go, which we are exploring now. So this is the benefit of staying in a property like this. You not only get the good stay, food and all, but then also you get to ride your motorcycle in the property. And you know, not too many people are generous to give you that opportunity. But then yeah, Vinay being a known friend of mine, he's given us the chance. And this is a nice inclination, a good climb. And it'll go to a peak, that's what he said.
Battery 40%.
Peak, there's a view. Where are the boys? That's Kirtan. That's Ram Kishore. Comes Madhu, Varun, and then this is Anvesh, and then comes Ram Mohan. Oh, the at the Tirthupod Varpara Enchina. Here matra varpara phone de poda phone de nana phone karpeni so alpa mulpa alpa ade matta poi so now getting back like good run this is. It was about 2.5 kilometer run and it's a nice run. ಮಧು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀ ಉಂಟ್ಲಿ ಮಧು ಇದು ಈಗ ಮೂಲೊಂದೊಡೆಯಾನ ತಿರ್ತಿಡ good run. Now we're getting back. ಮೂಲಂತೇನು ಮೂಲಂತಲೇ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಡತ್ತ ಮದುವೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು ಮದುವೆ ಹೋಗು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋಗು So me and Kirtan were just taking some reels. That's why we stopped here. It was nice background and now declining back. Look at this beautiful scenery. It's like a picture perfect that you can get. Amazing. I just think I need to stop here and take a photo. I just can't resist. I need to keep my... Yes, Hermes leathers. And let's take a photo now. It's too good to be resisted. Especially with the background that you can get. Let's take a quick photo. Let's go now. Beautiful. This is like, looks like some poster has been put right behind me. That's unbelievable. True. Never really explored this part of Mangalore. Huh? Yeah, but it's the first time. Ande? Okay. So Yan Dumbu used to come here with Vinay only, with him and his parents to this tota and just go around here. There used to be a lot of waterfalls. Used to go around that place and all. Nice decline also. A good decline. Ujjubain mool budodote. So we'll have to drop him. So this was a quick run here. Inside the estate. So you have a lot of roots coming out in between, and that creates like a speed breaker in between. And they're slippery as well. The out texture of the roots are slippery. You need to be quite careful when you're getting on it, and it just suddenly your front end or the back end will lose traction once you step on that. So you need to be careful when you're seeing any of those. And those are like a natural speed breakers which are there. And finally we are back, just reaching down. An amazing trail, amazing. It's one of those quick trails, you just go, have your adrenaline rush and come back and check out. That's our homestay, which is Bettada Hoovu. There's the homestay, and we are back to here. And
left.